Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Unlock your iPhone and head straight to Settings. Once there, tap Focus to see all active modes. You're doing this because Focus controls system-wide silencing and automations, so we must access the source. Now locate Do Not Disturb in the Focus list and tap it. This first step exposes the toggle and any schedules or automations that might reactivate the mode. Make sure to pause on this screen before you change anything so you can see what's turning it on. Now tap the Do Not Disturb card to open its settings. You'll see a main toggle at the top. Switch it off to stop immediate silencing. Once done, inspect Schedules and Smart Activation. These rules can automatically re-enable the mode, so disable any active ones. Also check Focus automations and sharing across devices. Turn off automations or sharing that could reactivate Do Not Disturb on purpose or from another device. Once you finish, the system should stop diverting calls and alerts. Finish by closing Settings and opening Control Center. The crescent Do Not Disturb icon should no longer be highlighted. If it still shows active, make sure Focus Syncing isn't turning it back on from another Apple device, then restart your iPhone to clear transient states. Also verify app-level notification settings in Settings Notifications in case an app-level mute mimics Do Not Disturb. If problems persist, toggle Focus Syncing off, reboot both devices, and repeat the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.